What can I do when I run out of cheese curds? Gotta get my cheese. First, squeeze a lemon, then find some milk. A pipette will help you move those liquids. Find something to stir with. Get out your cheese-making recipe? Just kidding. All you have to do is mix the lemon juice and the milk. Forget that pipette and just pour. Whee! Mix and what'll happen? Ooh, the lemon acids are making the milk proteins clump together. Pour out the liquid and just look at those curds. There they are! What would that taste like? Sour lemon cheese? What do you think would happen if you add special seasonings or try using soy milk?